Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a compliance tracker with Smartsheet and no-code tools, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining the compliance requirements specific to your organization or project. Gather relevant documentation that outlines these requirements in detail. Next, create a new sheet in Smartsheet. Choose a template that best fits your compliance tracking needs or start from scratch. Label the columns appropriately to capture all necessary information. Consider including columns for compliance items, due dates, responsible parties, and status updates. Add a column for notes to provide additional context for each compliance item. Once the columns are set, populate the sheet with your compliance items. For each item, specify the requirements and due dates. Assign team members to each compliance item to ensure accountability. Use conditional formatting to highlight overdue items or those nearing their due dates. Regularly update the status of each compliance item to reflect current progress. Next, integrate no-code tools to enhance functionality. Explore tools like Zapier or Integromat to automate data entry. Set up automated alerts and reminders for due dates using these integrations. Consider creating dashboards within Smartsheet to visualize compliance progress. Utilize graphs and charts to track the overall compliance status of your organization. Schedule regular reviews of your compliance tracker to ensure accuracy and relevance. Encourage team members to update their assigned items consistently. Regularly back up your Smartsheet data to prevent loss. Finally, train your team on using the compliance tracker effectively. Ensure everyone understands their responsibilities related to compliance tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.